Welcome. In today's video, we're going to talk more about onboarding extension and how to set it up for your app. You would add onboarding sections, so when the user initially downloads your app, you show him the key benefits of your particular app before they enter and try to find how to use the app, what the app is all about, and so on. So let's start creating an app from blank by clicking here. Then let's start from the blank app. While the app is building, you can read also our support articles on onboarding extension and any other feature and functionality. And once the app is done, once I show you how to install onboarding extension, I'm going to show you one of our live apps, how it actually looks like, and you can also download our Disclose app to preview your app once you're building it. So at the moment, the app is empty, and to add onboarding, you will not go to add screens and search it over here, because by default, it's not installed right there. So you have to go to extensions, go here to this plus, add onboarding, and click install. All right. So the extension is successfully installed. So you can now go back and you are going to the settings tab. In the settings tab, it's where you're actually adding like the app info, app name, launch screen, and so on. And also onboarding, you will find it here. You have to first click enable, and there you go. You start adding the info. There's a couple of things. You can add up to 10 images. Optimal, it's like on Apple and Google Store when you're submitting your app that you have to add the screenshots. It's typically like 3 to 5 screens, which is good enough. Don't overdo it because it's overwhelming to the users. So you can add the page title, page description, how the text is going to be positioned, and you can add like the background image and featured image if you have, I don't know, company logo, if you want to feature a product, if you are e-commerce, any kind of key feature of your app that you can either custom design and so on. Once you do that, you can just click add more. It's going to give you more, and you can continue that, as I said, up to 10 times. And that's it. So the onboarding screens are only going to be shown once on the initial download. So not every time the user enters the app, and you don't have to do anything over here. Second thing worth mentioning, if you already have an app with Shoutem and you want to add onboarding screens, you have to get in touch with our support, because you cannot just republish your app, have like soft republish, like when you're updating the content. You have to actually go through the resubmission process with Apple and Google, because they have to take a look at the app, because this is actually like considered as a new feature added to the app. So let me show you now in a preview how it looks like. So this is one of the apps on Shoutem. So let's just click on that app and download it. And let's open it. So this is the onboarding screens that you can add to your app. So basically the key benefits of your app, like welcome message, listening to the radio, that you can donate, and you can receive push notifications. So whatever your messages are, you can type it here and explain to users what it's all about before they click that get started button and enter your particular app. Hope this was helpful. You can always reach out to our support if you have any additional questions on onboarding extension. You can always read our support articles. It's very, very helpful to add this feature into your app. I'm pretty sure all new users will love it, and it's gonna help them out before they enter and start using your app. Thank you. Bye bye.